In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. Alright, so I'm starting by opening up the Meta Business Suite website. So I'll go ahead and go to business.facebook.com in the browser and wait for it to load. Once the dashboard comes up, I can see all the tools and options for managing content. From here, I'm going to click on Create Reel. So I'll go ahead and select that, and this opens up the Reel creation interface where I can upload and prepare my video. Now that I'm inside the Reel creator, I'm going to click on Add Video. So I'll tap that option, and it allows me to browse files from my device. Once the file picker opens, I'm going to select the video I want to use. So I'll click on a video from my files, and I'll confirm the selection so it starts uploading into the Reel editor. After the video is loaded, I'm going to move on to adding a description. So I'll click into the text area and type in the caption or description that I want to appear with the reel. I'll just write that out here, keeping it relevant to the content of the video. Once that's done, I'm going to click next. So I'll go ahead and press next to move to the next stage of the setup. At this point, I'll click next again to continue through the flow. This takes me closer to the publishing options where I can decide how and when the reel will be posted. Now I'm going to choose the scheduling option, so I'll click on schedule, and this allows me to set a specific time instead of publishing immediately. Once I select schedule, a date and time picker appears, so I'll go ahead and choose the date I want the reel to go live, and then I'll also set the time. I'll just adjust both fields so they match the exact moment I want the reel to be published. After selecting the date and time, I'll take a quick look to make sure everything looks correct. The video is uploaded, the description is in place, and the schedule time is set properly. Now I'm going to click schedule to confirm everything. So I'll press that button, and the reel is now scheduled to be published automatically at the selected date and time. I'll pause here for a second while it processes, and once that's done, the reel is officially queued in Meta Business Suite. And that's really all there is to it. Once you go to Meta Business Suite, create your reel, upload your video, add a description, move through the next steps, choose schedule, set your date and time, and confirm it. Your Facebook reel will be scheduled and ready to publish automatically.